Okay, so today I'm going to be playing Bubbles with my friend's keyboard. This is not my keyboard. I'm only using it for like a day. Here's mine. But yeah, this keyboard, unlike mine, is blue switches and is 60%, not 100%. But yeah, let's see if we can win some Bubbles games or not. Okay, so yeah. Before we do anything, I haven't done any test with this keyboard. I've only messed around with the RGB, and I pressed A, S, W, and D just to see if it works because my friend told me that it doesn't work, which it clearly does actually. Wait, the S kind of stopped working for a second. Alright, well, this keyboard is really, as I can say, short. It's a 60% keyboard. So yeah, we're just gonna hop into a bridge game. I mean, Bubbles game. Ooh, my sounds is really hard. My bad. Now I can make ASMR videos. Not just playing. He thought his RGB was broken, but after me just searching up the keyboard, I found a tutorial on how to change the lights. It's kind of funny. So I traded like my membrane keyboard for it. He's probably gonna ask for it back. You know what? I'm actually fine with that. I'm happy that I could help him with his RGB problem. He always told me that he missed, having RGB, which I mean is understandable, of course. I mean, he played like for almost like a year without RGB, bro. It's kind of funny. I don't even know how he turned it off. He just accidentally turned off the lights. That's hilarious. Oh wait, actually, it's so easy to use hotkeys. Wait, that's kind of crazy. First game on, and I'm getting destroyed. I'm getting cooked. Yo. I'm so bad. Oh wait, hold up. Alright. Of course, even if he doesn't ask for the keyboard back, this is probably not going to be my main keyboard for a reason. Because, of course, I spend a lot of money on my keyboard, so I don't want to just, replace it. But this would definitely be my second favorite keyboard. No. No, please. Alright. So he knew I was chasing him. Alright, interesting. GG. First game down. Alright. I don't know if I should make this a main channel video or a second channel, but I'm gonna first release this on my second channel. Since, I just thought about like a really good video I can make. Alright, come on. Of course, his keyboard kind of has the same problem as mine. His spacebar sounds unbelievably terrible. It might sound decent on the recording, but personally, his spacebar is definitely the worst click out of everything. Which is the same with mine actually. My keyboard, I think my keyboard sounds good, but I think the spacebar definitely ruins it. So if you guys are wondering, I can't really say this keyboard's name, not because of like anything, but like I don't know how to say it. It's a gam dias, a gum dias. I don't know, but it's a 60% keyboard, which I think I said. This is probably gonna be the only like second channel video I'm gonna edit. Oh, that's concrete. Oh, never mind. I got confused with my texture. Just because she comboed me one time, she thinks that she can just beat me all the time. I'm not being toxic, but like, I have gear. Come on. Ooh. What is this defense, buddy? Alright, I killed him. Alright. This could honestly be a ASMR keyboard. I can make ASMR with this. The S doesn't work. Wait, that's crazy. Wait, the S actually sometimes doesn't work. I pressed Control and S at the same time, and it actually didn't work. Wait, that's kind of crazy. I don't know what happened, bro. Alright, nice. GG. That was kind of scary. I would say that another problem with this keyboard is this dumbass cable. This cable is the longest cable I've ever seen in my life. This cable is unbelievably long. It's honestly, it's in my it's like in my way of my mouse, you know? It's in the way. I can't really play with it, you know? It's in the way when I play, you know? That's a problem. And I don't think we're gonna have a problem, but we're gonna have a problem. The S doesn't work. The S sometimes doesn't work. The S sometimes doesn't work. He was correct. I thought he was just... The S sometimes doesn't work. Wait, that's crazy. Wait, the S actually doesn't work sometimes. Wait, that's so weird. Wait, that's also so dumb, bro. That could be the reason why you win or leave. That win or beat. Alright. That like could be the reason you win the game or not. Alright, I block trapped him somehow, but I also didn't, so I don't know what happened. This guy's lagging. Have to kill him. Then turn around. Really slowly. Move this way. Oh, yeah, alright. Okay, he left. I think blue's the only threat. Alright. Oh, wow, okay. No! That saved him. That's crazy. Alright, well, I gotta break Red's bed. I should buy chain armor. Is that iron armor? That's iron armor uncooked. But I might not be the parkour pro, but I'm the combo pro, and he'll see for a reason. Let's go! GG. If I honestly just thought Blue was alive and I just jumped into the void. Wait, that was kind of scary. Alright, next game. So, looks like it's like 30%. There's like a 20 or 30% that the S just doesn't work. Which is kind of concerning, to be honest. I don't know why the S doesn't work. It works like 80, 70% of the time. Or more like 90, actually. You gotta remember, concrete is dark. As a dark overlay, wool doesn't. Alright, that's built. I don't know if I should have built that or not, but that's fine. Alright. Armor. And this is gonna be my last game, by the way. I think I've played long enough then. Winning all games, going for the wrong person. Let's go. Alright, purple is free. Blue is a bit more. Don't take knockback. Oh my gosh, that was close. Alright, let's go. Wait for him. Break it. Take no knockback. Nice. Yo, wait, that was close. Alright. He's now defending the bed. You had all the time, bro, and now you're doing it? Are you serious? It's Technoblade. Oh, that was close. Alright. I kind of want Technoblade to win, but I also want a win streak, so I gotta kill. Oh, he's now Steve, so I can kill him. Let's go. He's not Technoblade anymore. Technoblade left him as soon as he realized that he was not worthy of him. Technoblade would have destroyed me. He's the best Bedwars player. Even on CubeCraft. I know he plays Java, but he's also the best on CubeCraft, trust. And Steve isn't. He's cooked. So he's gonna try hitting me off. Alright, well I slapped him as well, so GG's. Alright. Let's see how close I am to my next level. Ooh, alright. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please go drop a like and subscribe. It's completely free, and I'll see you in the next video.